The investment casting process, also known as lost wax casting, is typically used for components requiring fine detail, tight tolerances, excellent as-cast surface finish, thin walls, or internal passageways. To begin, a wax pattern of the desired finished part is created and mounted onto a wax tree, which includes the metal delivery system. The tree is repeatedly dipped into a ceramic slurry and sprinkled with stucco material until a thick shell is created. The wax pattern is melted out, leaving a cavity in the shape of the pattern. This cavity is then filled with molten metal. After solidification, the shell is broken away, the gating material removed, and the finished part remains. Customers realize significant cost savings in machining, labor, and material because net shapes can be cast. Investment castings tend to be smaller than, say, sand castings, but Metaltech does produce investment castings of up to 850 pounds finished weight. To learn more about this process, or to determine if it's a good fit for your application, give us a call or go to metaltech.com. Metaltech International, because you demand more than metal.